Hey, did you figure out what I'm supposed to do with the elderberries?
Well, I was reading about elderberry medicine, but there's a recipe over here.
Good, because I've got those dehydrated ones we need to work on.
Yeah.
So the kids are playing Monopoly. You want to watch a movie or something?
Yeah, we can.
Oh.
But before we start a movie, I need a snack because
Why do you?
it's all about food. What do you got over there to be able to make for a snack?
You want me to make it? Why do I have to make it?
I don't cook.
You can read? You just read a magazine. You've proven you can read.
I don't cook.
All right, I've got a recipe for white queso dip I've been wanting to try. Would you eat that?
Yeah, we got enough chips. Can't eat queso without chips.
There's enough for me.
But I said I need a snack.
You gonna help me, or you gonna watch TV while I won't do it?
Yes.
I found a white queso dip recipe on Pinterest. I don't know if it's any good, but I'll try
What's
it.
in it? Cheese.
Ingredients?
Cheese. You can't ever have too much cheese.
All right.
Cheese.
I'll be back.
Okay. Thank you, dear. I just love Miss Katie.
Our son Owen gave us this Lodge cast iron pot for Christmas this year. And if I'm not mistaken, I think it's a 2-quart. This term used to be a spider pot that had these 3 legs. I don't know if it's still called that, but you can use it at a campfire. But I'm going to use it today on my gas stove for the first time. I think it'll be a great size. I found this recipe on Pinterest, and I will put the link below to the website where I found it. Just going to melt a pound of shredded pepper jack cheese, 8 ounces of full fat cream cheese, half a cup of full fat sour cream. I get the real stuff. I don't buy the sour cream that's got added ingredients. I just get the one that has cream and enzymes. A drained can of mild diced tomatoes with green chilies, basically a generic Rotel. And then a teaspoon of onion powder, chili powder, and it called for a teaspoon of garlic powder, but I didn't have it, so I've got some minced garlic. That is the recipe. I'm simply going to melt all this together, and then Mr. Patient will have his snack. Okay, Your Highness.
Oh, thanks for the snack. I'll take it.
Looks good, doesn't it? Let's try it.
Excuse me?
No, I made it.
What?
Look, it's cheesy.
It's stringy.
And look, I put my candied jalapenos on top.
Yeah.
That's good. share that.
Don't spill it.
Now let's watch a movie.
Okay. You watch a movie while I eat.